Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our channel Magical Droplets. Today we'll be doing guidance for your romantic life and marriage using the Romance Angels Oracle cards. So let's begin. As we usually do, we have removed 5 cards for you. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and breathe out. As you calm yourself, open your eyes and select the 5 cards that you have in front of you. You can select either one single card or multiple cards towards which you are drawn to. So let's begin with the reading. For people who have selected card number 1, let's see what the romance angels have to tell you. Soulmate. Aha. This is your soulmate. So for all the people who have selected card number 1, irrespective of your status, marital status and your relationship status, whether you are single or committed, know that the person that you are inquiring about is your soulmate. He is the one who fills your soul with love and light and care. He is the one to make you happy, and he is the one that you have been looking for around since years. There is no need to go over other person or inquire whether this person is the right one or no, as today the romance angels clearly tell you that yes, he is the right one and he is your soulmate. Thank you. For people who have selected card number 2, let's see what the romance angels have in store for you. Very soon. So all those single people who have selected this card, know that your life partner, your soulmate, is just around the corner and you will meet him soon. Also with this card, the romance angels ask you to be very clear as to what qualities are you looking out in your life partner. Basic 5 qualities that you would not compromise on any occasion. Hopefully, let's not make that materialistic, and let us make them the qualities that you would look into a person, like his love, the care he gives you, the respect he gives you. So those 5 qualities are something that romance angels ask you to be very clear about it, and it can go on to 10 counts. So decide the qualities and be ready to know what all things are you looking out for. And as you make a clear list of the qualities that you are looking out for in your life partner will appear as if by magic. Stay blessed. For people who are married, this card signifies that any disturbance in your married life right now, or any disturbance in your committed relationship right now, will soon go away, and you do not have to worry whether this partner is right or wrong, because he is the right life partner. He is the right partner for you at this point of time, and he is doing everything that is best possible for him to make you happy. So the angels ask you to relax and give them their opportunity and the chance to prove their love for you. Stop bugging them, stop disturbing them, and stop distrusting the universe. As you stop being on high alert, you will see that magical opportunities, and magically your life partner, your partner right now, will open up his love for you, and he'll be so open to you about his feelings that you will be surprised that he did not show you his love and affection for so long and so precisely and clearly. So give them this opportunity that they are willing to receive and they require right now. Thank you. So people who have selected card number 3, let's see. Express your love. So for singles who have selected this card, Romance Angels tells you that you need to express your love to your partner or to the person that you are inquiring about. Because once you start expressing your love, the person will become clear that you have feelings for him, and whatever hidden feelings that he has about you will come to the surface, and you will know that both of the parties would know that yes, we are each other's life partners. For people in a relationship, this card tells you that it is more important to express your feelings each and every day rather than on special occasions, so that your partner feels loved and valued by you. As you express your love and gratitude towards your partner, and as you be open about your feelings and emotions, your partner gets a clear picture of you and your mental and emotional state, which expresses which tells him and makes it clear for him to show his emotions as well. So don't forget to express your love, everyone. People selecting card number 4, keep an open mind. This card reads, your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. So for single people who are looking out for a partner, please keep your mind open, keep all your barriers down, and let the universe show you its magic. Oftentimes we have a certain physical body type or a physical thing that we have in our mind with regards to our partners. Also, more than physical, it could be a financial situation, a financial thing that we are looking out for, like house, the body structure, his education, or his or her education, or their qualifications, their work profile. So with this card, the romance angels are telling you to let go of that barriers, let go of all those checklists that you have made for your life partner, and keep an open mind. Let your friends and families help you find you the life partner. As you become open, you will soon see that someone who was not typically on your checklist with regards to their education, qualifications, their work profile, their finances, is basically the person that that has all the qualities that you had been looking out for. So once you let go of that checklist, wonderful opportunities open up for you. For people who are already in a relationship, this card tells you that keeping an open mind about the emotions that your partner is experiencing and giving them the benefit of doubt would definitely help you all. Also discuss issues openly with your partner. As you can see in this card, these both parties are discussing their issues, and there is also a child and the romance angels up there helping the relationship. So keep an open mind, be open to discussions, honest and clear. Don't keep your mind in between. Let your logical mind be aside and let your heart take role and control of this relationship. And as you discuss, both the parties discusses their emotions freely and openly. The issues that you are having in your relationship will be resolved at the earliest, and you will come to know that the root cause of the issue was a minor thing that doesn't even matter in the time. So keep an open mind and discuss the issues, and as the discussion goes, your relationship will go stronger, because there is no root cause of the matter, and it is just a minor setback that has been holding you back. I hope that helps you all. So now we have discussed the 4 cards, and let's begin to go towards the 5th card. So all those people who have selected card number 5, let's see what is in store for you. Forgiving and learning. So all those people who have selected card number 5, this card tells you, single people, this card tells you to forgive all your past lovers, all your past relationships, and learn from the relationships that you have had. It might be something there might be something very important that you might have experienced in your past relationship that you are not willing to learn. And as you go through the past relationships and acknowledge the relationship and the lessons, you will move ahead and meet your life partner soon. For those who are already in a committed relationship, this card tells you to forgive yourself and your partner, because both of you are in a relationship and both of you are trying your best to get the best experiences in love and relationship. When we have unheard and hurtful feelings towards one another, the relationship cannot blossom, and many times the golden opportunities are missed. So let go of the hurt, let go of the expectations, and forgive yourself and your partner. Everyone deserves a chance to grow and to move ahead in their life, and so forgiving and learning the important aspects from a fight or from a relationship is very important for each and every one of you. I hope this Romance Angels Oracle cards deck and the readings and guidance that every one of you have received for their love life and their relationship definitely helps you all. See you all soon. Thank you. Goodbye. Magical Droplets, Shrital Shah.